One local coach is worried about the impact of COVID-19 that the pandemic will have on the sport of table tennis. Coach of the Supersonic Table Tennis Club, Peter Daly, says with no directive from the local governing body, clubs are finding it difficult to keep their doors opened. Jerome Foster has the details.
Peter Daly, coach of Supersonic Table Tennis Club, has slammed the Jamaica Table Tennis Association for its handling of its affiliates in the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic.
Not a word we have heard. Even when the pandemic started, as you know, I coach some schools and we're the defending champions in the prep school. I coach high school tournaments and everything had to be cancelled. But there was no feedback, whether from the association to say, okay, nothing is being held this year. Well, let's put it off. So I had to stop all training at schools. And it's been very disappointing not hearing from your body.
Daly says there were hopes of getting the sport back in early 2021, but that too has hit a hurdle.
ISA realizes that table tennis, the board is 9 feet across, so we can meet whatever protocols as far as social distancing and, you know, with clean equipment. So ISA was hoping to start table tennis very shortly, but guess what? School have to be opened up back first. So we can train the kids. Will they come out and, you know, in our training hall setting, is it air enough to meet all international protocols? So all of these things is very frustrating.
The table tennis coach says his main concern will be the effects on players in the future, especially with table tennis being a very technical sport.
Right now, tournaments are played internationally, but nothing is happening in Jamaica. Thank goodness, I know one of our top juniors, I see John Pierre training at our club, but it's not enough because it's not a formal training. I've heard on the news where locally our national coaches, you know, there's no contracts for them, so there's nothing formally going on, and I'm sure something could be happening. The association should really be having the juniors/seniors in training, because remember, it's an Olympic. A couple of our players also have the opportunity of playing in the Olympics, but there's no formal arrangement.
Daly says clubs have been left to make decisions on their own. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.